What's up to all my cousins? What I'm doing today was stuck in my head. Like, this hairstyle was stuck in my head for about a week, a good week. It was stuck in my head. I've been wanting to do this hairstyle. It's a slick hairstyle, swoop, 2 ponytails straight. The hair I'm be using, it started off. This hair is long. It's 28 inches, so I'm about to be. Now it's time to wrap the hair around each braid. Now I'm wrapping this around. Now we got 1 ponytail. Crisscross. This is the hairstyle. Y'all see how I went from poof to flat. But I would suggest you to get the weave hair sewed onto the braid, because like if you want it to last. More hairstyles coming, of course, period. Oh, this make me look Chinese. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome to the family, and stay tuned for more. Period.